Excel sheet. So under Excel sheet, how we can use the formulas by Excel sheet. So that one today we will discuss about Excel sheet formulas. So just I created one folder, so there I am opening and creating one Excel sheet. So here right click, so then you can select Microsoft Excel sheet. So this is we are opening the Excel sheet. So whenever you want Excel sheet, you can right click and you can select the new Microsoft Excel sheet. So here we need to write one name, so what are, so like a one data. So then you can open the Excel sheet file. So now its Excel sheet file is opening. So then after we can see our Excel sheet interface. So there we have options: file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. So here we can see or we can discuss about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and average, maximum value, minimum value, how we can find out by the help of formulas. So without calculation of manually, so we can use only formulas. So then we can easily find out the n number of data you can find out easily or quickly. So for that I'm just writing the content. So here like items. See, this is I wrote items. So then you can select this rightly. So just side select. So after that you can give it as a color or font color. So then I am selecting a text font color. So you can select as a theme color. So there you can put it as a green or light green. So then you can use it as like a color and font size color. So now I wrote or I given one content, so items. So this one how to we can make it as a center. So just select it and click the center button. So it should come as a middle or it should come as a center. So next, price. So here price is a, it's not center. So just you can select and click the center option. So then we can use. So for this you can implement or we can change the size also, font size and font styles, calibri, body, or so whatever it may be you want, you can select and you can choose which one you need, Cambria or Calibri. So now we selected Calibri and font size 11. So we given font style and font text color, so body color also we given. So then, so I am entering some items names like rice. So it is 100 rupees. So next we can give soaps, okay, 50. So just assume I am entering some items with price. So here just like a 60. Here onions. Next we can give any one. So I'm given amount 50. So then we can calculate how much amount total. So then we can use sum. By the help of sum you can find out. So otherwise we can select first one. First column has 100. So then next row is sixth row 50. So just select with shift. So then you can find out here easily. So total how much, sum is 290, count is 5 values in 5 count, average is 58. So this, by this selecting also we can find out easily in bottom of the Excel sheet. Here sum is 290, count 5. So next average is 58. So then we can how to add in above one row. So then just right click and select as a insert. So then we can find out easily one extra row. So then here we have the color symbol. So how to remove color symbol, just select it and you can go here, sorry, you can go here. So then just select no fill. So here no color, it should not come the color. So now we are having the, this is addition, what we are doing, addition. So addition of 5 rows. So how to use the formula? Just equal to sum. We have formulas: sum, open bracket. So give this this column, field column is B. So now start with B. First row is 3. B3 colon, B4 colon, B B5 colon, next B6 colon, B7, close the bracket, enter. So here 290. So then we can see here how much value also. Just to select all the columns. So then you can see 290. By the formula also we are getting same value 290. Count is 5 and average is 58. So next we can see subtraction. How to we can use subtraction by the help of formula or normal. So then here, for example, I am entering here one content. So this field is only the characters went outside. So for that you can scroll or we can move. So just click here. So automatically what are the size? So it should column is increased. So next we are using, for example, 100. So next 50. So this field column is E. So here E3 and E4. So next you can give equal E3 minus E4. Enter. So 100 minus 50, 50. We are getting the subtraction value. So next we can use or we can go to multiplication. So just here double click, it will move right side. So multiplication 100 and 20. So here equal to, we have formula is product. What is product? Open bracket. So H field is H3 colon H4, close the bracket, enter. So 100 into 20, 2000. Here two zeros and one zero. Total three zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 100 into 20, 2000. So this is the multiplication formula. So next addition, subtraction, multiplication. Next division. So how to division two values? Just like I am giving 500 and 20. So here equal to k 3 by, division symbol is by. So next k 4, enter. So 25, 0 0 cancel, 2 2 ja 4, 10 2 5. So 25 into 20, 500. So we can see this is the formula of division. So equal to k3 by k4. Multiplication we are using equal to product. So field value h3 colon h4. So next subtraction, field column value e3 and e4 equal to e3 minus e4. So next subtraction, how we can use subtraction? Just to select all the values. So here we can see directly by bottom of the excel sheet 290 total sum, count 5 and average 58. So we can use the formula also equal to sum bracket open and close, within the bracket we can use all the column names. So this is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So next we can use average. How to we can use average? See here I enter text, so we can use font color. So just I am entering same values: 100, 50, 60, 30, next 50. So these are the values. So here already we selected, so there we got the average value. So now we are using with the formula equal to, we have average formula AVER, open bracket. So this is the B field, B11. Otherwise we cannot enter all the fields. So just select and we can give all the fields. Sorry. just a minute. So here equal to AVERA average open bracket. So first select field column. So next row, close the bracket, submit. So here average is 58. So total how many count? Here count is 5 to sum 290, average 58. So here also by the help of formula we are getting average is 58 equal to average open bracket and close bracket. Within the bracket we can give row B column value. So B 11 and 12, B 13, 14, 15. So then you can get the average of 5 rows column values. So this is the average. So next maximum. How to we can find out maximum? So for that maximum, so we can use same values like 100, 50, otherwise we are giving 600, 30, 50. So for here for maximum, so just we can give equal to max max. So just select max, open bracket, select the row and first row and last row, close the bracket, enter. So here maximum value 600, so we enter 600 here. This is the maximum value. So here also by the help of formula we also got the maximum value. So next we can see minimum value. So now we can enter same values 100, next 50, 600, 30, 50. So here for minimum value, here also we have min formula. So under min you can give, so or all the values, or we can select first and last, close the bracket, enter. So here what is the minimum value? So here 150, 600, 30, 50. So here minimum is 30. So we found minimum value 30 by the help of min formula. So in Excel sheet you can use how many data also, underlines or so many n number of lines of the data also, or records also we can find out easily by the help of formulas. Just here nothing, just we can use only formulas by column name with row values. So just here I am selecting our row is h, sorry our column is h. So then we can find out how many, what are the row number. So here row number start with 11 and end with 15. So then same thing we given min equal to minimum h11 colon 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is the minimum formula. So next maximum equal to max. So here average equal to average and division equal to first value by division second value. So next multiplication you can use equal to product. So next subtraction. So for subtraction we can use first value minus second value. So for that here column value e minus e3 minus e4. So next addition equal to sum. So for that addition just we can select all the values, then we can find out easily sum and count and average. Or otherwise you can use formula equal to sum all the row values with field name b3 colon b4 5 6 7. So then you can find out easily sum of the all the rows. So this is the our concept. So we can easily find out addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, average, maximum and minimum by the help of formulas of Excel sheet. So thank you for watching the video. So then you can subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching.